Hey guys, so this is the continuation. I think this is video 3 or 4, I'm not sure. But yeah, in this video I'll basically show you guys my power supply, how I made it, what I use for it. It's a variable regulated power supply, so it goes from 0 till 32 volts and 3 amps maximum. And I'll show you guys also the design. It's over up there on my whiteboard. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this right now. So let me pick this up. Okay, so this is basically the power supply itself. So it's plugged in there, and right here there's a switch that's not isolated, but still, like, it's to turn it on. When I turn the switch, that LED will turn on to show the circuit is working. So there you go. Okay, so what I used was a transformer for 3 amps, rectifier, so 4 diodes, and the capacitor to make the rectified circuit. Here's the circuit itself. So here we have an LM350. It's a voltage regulator for, well, if I'm not mistaken, it goes for until like 10 amps. I'm only using 3 arrays. So here's the voltage regulator, resistor for 170 ohms, plugged between pins 1 and 2. That's adjust and output of the voltage regulator. A capacitor. It didn't have to be this big, but because of that over there, but that's what I had, so that's what I used. There's a small capacitor in here as well, and this resistor here for trying and dropping the what's getting to the LED over there. So right here are the exits. This was like a problem I had because this thing here, this wire, was touching this yesterday and I didn't see. And when I saw it, it was all smoky already and burnt, but it's still working. I just have to like get rid of this part and then, well, just put this one over here. Anyway, as you guys can see, it's close, the value in the multimeter, and here, this is a voltmeter. You can buy it online. I bought it for like $2 or so. So when I twist this, oops, yeah, okay, so when I twist this, it should go down. This is the maximum it gets. So right now it's going down, and it will go down until about 5, 4, 3. Anyway, it will keep on going down, and that's pretty much it. Ignore this thing here. I was just fixing my soldering iron because it's burnt. But anyway, so this is the circuit. Now about the design I used, it's right over here. So it's basically what you guys saw down there. So up there, the LM350 is my voltage regulator. Here to the, well, like, 1 second. So like here is the input. So here comes the rectifier, back there the transformer, and here is the input of my circuit. So it's getting directly to my LED. Then there's the big capacitor in parallel of it, both connected to the input of the voltage regulator. Then to the edges there is a small capacitor connected to it, the 470 resistor between the edges and output, and also on the edges there is the potentiometer. I'm not sure, I think I'm using a 5K potentiometer, but like a 700 should be enough. And right here in this positive and negative, I plugged in my voltmeter and the multimeter as well to check if they're working. So you just plug it in parallel with the rest. And well, I should say this, I'm not sure how is the voltage regulator the display for the multimeter you guys find, but mine came only with the black wire and the red wire. I had to put in the yellow wire. So the black wire is negative, of course. The red one is for positive. It's the supply for this thing. And when I got it, like this two here, where the red wire and the yellow wire are connected, well, this is hot. Okay, so where the red wire and the yellow wire are connected, they were together. Okay, sorry. This thing was soldered together, and it only went down to 5 volts, I think. So if you take a look at the data sheet, there's like this two should be separated to go even lower. So I separated them and I put in the yellow wire. So this will go directly on the 32 volts. This will go, well, yeah, 32 volts. This will go to the negative. This here will go at the edges of my voltage regulator. Yeah, I forgot to put that in the design, but yeah, that's how it works. Right now, what's left is for me to put it inside this box here that I bought exactly for it. So just a little box. I'm just gonna put the display and the knob over there and the LED out here. So, and the rest will be hidden inside the box. So when it's ready, I'll post a link with the pictures and stuff, but that's pretty much it. Okay. Okay, so this was my power supply. It's working, and what else I had to tell you guys? Okay, the prices. The most expensive thing here was my transformer. It was kind of expensive, but needed it, so bought it. The maximum, I think the total was like $50 or so. I'm not sure, I don't really remember the prices, but and the problems I had with it. So the problems I most had with it first were with the voltage regulator. I had to buy 4 voltage regulators because the first 2 burned. There was a short circuit down the circuit on the soldering. I didn't see it when I made it, so they burned. So I had to buy more, and I bought 2 more to see if it would work, and it worked. So I still have an extra one. And okay, other than that, the display with for the voltmeter. It's an integrated circuit there. Does this voltmeter? Let's see if I can show you. Well, you guys have already seen it, but yeah, this voltmeter here. Well, the wires, these wires here, they keep on falling. Especially the black wire. I don't know why, it just keeps on falling. I had to fix it. It already came with the wires, but I had to fix it like 3-4 times. And it's just, well, it's working, but it's kind of sad that I paid for something that just came with a loose wire. So, oh yeah, one more thing. When I bought this thing, it only came with, have I told you guys this already? I'm not sure. I think so. Okay, when I bought this, it only came with 2 wires. So I had to add 1 more to measure lower voltages. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys. So, well, I don't know if you guys can hear this. I'm hearing it. That's my cat. Yeah. He is like a diva. His name is Neptune, and he is not gonna look over here. Okay, that's my cat, Neptune. So yeah, we got him on his shower. I was I just showed him because he's licking himself and making this noise and it's annoying. But yeah. Okay, the next video will probably be about music, probably be about my maybe flute lessons. Maybe I'll just record a video with my sister. She's practicing some songs. She is taking singing lessons, so I can help her on the keyboard. So I may just record that. And whenever I have something new to show you guys, I'll do it. So I gotta go. So I'll talk to you guys later. And any questions, just post it. I'll try my best to answer it. Bye bye.